Welcome to Sunjoe's SPX 3000. With over 3,500 five-star reviews and counting, this is America's #1 best-selling pressure washer. Clean smarter, not harder, with up to 2,030 PSI. That's enough power to clean any surface around your home. And while you're cleaning, you're only using 1.76 gallons of water per minute. That means you're cleaning more while using less water. This gas-free, eco-friendly, powerful universal motor is packed with 1,800 watts. And the 14.5 amp electric motor builds pressure so quickly that as soon as you hit that trigger, you are cleaning. No fumes, no fuss, no mess, and no stress. Our Sunjoe is equipped with dual detergent tanks. Our dual 0.9-liter tanks allow you to store 2 different types of detergent. How's that for convenience? You want to power wash the house? Wash your car? Why choose? You can do both with just the simple turn of a dial. Most pressure washer pumps run continuously when the unit is on, doomed to suffer an early end. That's why Sunjoe's exclusive total stop system is so critical. It automatically shuts off the pump and power when the trigger is not engaged, thereby saving energy, prolonging pump life, and extending the life of your valuable investment. Every SPX 3000 comes equipped with 5 quick connect spray tips: 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap. Tackle light, medium, and heavy-duty cleaning tasks, from a punishing pinpoint jet to a powerful fan spray. You name it, you aim it, and grime is gone. Those aren't just words. It's a commitment to clean with a full 2 years of worry-free performance, season after season. Plus, the SPX 3000 is backed by Sunjoe's incredible 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. If you're not convinced that the SPX 3000 is the best pressure washer you've ever used, simply return it for a full refund.
Introducing the 13-amp 1500 psi electric pressure washer from Greenworks Tools. With the 13-amp universal motor, harness the cleaning power of water at 1,500 pounds per square inch and at a flow rate of 1.2 gallons per minute. With the quick connect nozzles, easily and conveniently switch between the 25 and 40 degree tips in no time. Clean all around the house thanks to the 35-foot long GFCI electric cable. Operate the washer in either the vertical or horizontal position. Fill the detergent tank with soap formulated for pressure washers to wash away tough stains and dirt. And the 20-foot reinforced non-marring hose prevents wear and tear while leaving no scuff marks on cleaned surfaces. The compact and lightweight design makes the 1500 psi pressure washer conveniently portable. With a 1-year warranty and Pressure Washer Manufacturers Association certification, the 13-amp 1500 psi pressure washer from Greenworks Tools promises to deliver where and when it counts. Greenworks Tools. Life gets easier.
Whether it's a gas or an electric pressure washer that you're using, here's some tips to get the job done right. Keep your home looking great year-round with a pressure washer. They eliminate dirt and grime that your regular garden hose can't. Choose a nozzle and water pressure depending on the surface you're cleaning. A flat surface accessory can save you time and water while washing decks or patios. Use a cleaning solution to tackle mildew, or you can clean items like mowers or grills. Keep your pressure washer performing at its best.